Hey, what's up everybody, BMSLou here. Hope everyone's doing well. Short video today for you guys. Wanted to do another shoe video. This is a little bit different. These shoes, if you obviously saw the title or if you're familiar with these shoes, they are a slip-on shoe. It's supposed to be very handy and very easy for people that have issues either bending over to put on their shoe or issues tying your shoe, or if you have arthritis or any hand issues where you cannot put on shoes with shoelaces, these shoes will help you. Basically, you just slip them on, and as you can see here inside the shoe, there are basic instructions on how to put these on, but we will get to that a little bit later as we go on to the on feet here in just about a minute or two. But I want to talk about my first impression as I opened up this box. I received these shoes in 10 business days, to be honest, and they do say when you get the free shipping on the shoes that you can expect them to be delivered in 5 to 12 business days. So I did technically get them on time as they promised. These shoes are the men's New York black gum bottom style shoes. They were on sale on their website, KIZIK, for $59. And let me just say that I was a little bit impressed when I opened the box and I looked at the leather and I felt the shoe. The quality seems very, very decent, very good. As with all shoes that you buy, they should break in. The leather should break in, as well as the shoe should break in a lot more, so they should become way more comfortable as you wear them. You can see here I'm taking out all the paper of the shoe. They did put a lot of paper in there to kind of keep the shoe at its normal shape. We'll go ahead and start looking at the shoe here. I am a little bit concerned on how this is going to hold up here. You can see the little slits on each side of the shoe. I'm kind of concerned on how that's going to hold up over time as you put on and take off the shoes daily. So we will see about that. I may do a follow-up video down the road. I bought these shoes specifically for work because I go into a lot of people's homes, and I thought it would be easy to slip on and slip off these shoes instead of having to, you know, come in, take off my shoes, unlace them, and then when I leave, lace them back up and things of that nature. So as you're looking here, the sole, it's pretty much a basic sole. It's a sole. I don't know what else to tell you. It's a KIZIK sole, the insole there, and you can see here there are no laces. There is some stretch to these. Well, I guess they are laces. They're stretch laces. But let's go ahead and get to the on feet so you can see me actually put these on. But as far as quality, they feel pretty nice. Now let's go ahead and put these on here. The shoes look a little bit more dressier than I expected too. I mean, look how, honestly, that was easier than I expected. These are men's size 14. Most people say they fit true to size. Some people did say that maybe they fit a little bit larger or a little bit smaller than normal. These, looking at this video, honestly, for the first time since I recorded it, they look pretty sweet. They look like a nice shoe. They look like a great office shoe, a great shoe for work and walking around in. And as I'm doing this video, my first thought was like, okay, one, these were super easy to put on, and two, they are definitely more comfortable than I expected. Again, I do have size 14 here, and I'm going to show you here in just a moment or two. I'm curious what a size 13 would feel like on my foot. If you look real hard, and I'll show it here in a minute, I'm pushing up my big toe right there, so you can see where my big toe ends. So I have a lot of shoe left in there. But these shoes do not feel big on me. They don't feel like they're going to come off or slip off. So I think I'm going to just stay with them as they are. I'm not going to return them for size 13. A little bit more walking video, and I don't think they look big on me either. They look like they fit me, actually. So I'm very impressed with the shoe. I'm going to end this video with a couple close-up pictures of the leather and the shoe itself, but send me questions down below. If you have any questions or concerns, I'll be more than happy to give you my honest opinion. I bought this out of my own pocket, and I'm kind of impressed right now, but maybe a follow-up video will come down the road and we'll see how it goes. But I appreciate you guys watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video. Please subscribe. Again, I do videos on any and everything. I hope you take care and be safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.